Strengthening Faith 72. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the increase of crimes within London over the past decade. Unfortunately, there are some who claim that faith is not required in this world, and others, who are Muslims, claim it is enough to profess Islam without supporting it with sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, which involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. But this increase in crime proves the importance of faith and strengthening it through knowledge and action. This is because crimes and sins only occur as a person feels they will either face no consequences for their actions, such as prison, or they will somehow escape them, for example, by fleeing the country. But the person who believes that no matter what action they perform, whether open or secret, big or small, and no matter what tricks they attempt, a day will undoubtedly come where they will be held accountable for all their deeds, will always think twice before committing a crime or a sin. If this belief is strengthened through gaining and acting on Islamic knowledge, it will deter one from committing crimes and sins. If people acted in this way, peace and justice would spread across society. The crime rate would decrease and the times would closely match the times of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and his rightly guided caliphs, may Allah be pleased with them. This fact alone indicates the importance of faith and strengthening it, through gaining and acting on knowledge. Chapter 16 and Al, verse 90.
Indeed, Allah orders justice and good conduct and giving help to relatives and forbids immorality and bad conduct and oppression. He admonishes you, that perhaps you will be reminded.
And chapter 24 and Nur, verse 55.
Allah has promised those who have believed among you, and done righteous deeds that He will surely grant them succession to authority upon the earth just as He granted it to those before them, and that He will surely establish for them, therein their religion which He has preferred for them, and that He will surely substitute for them after their fear security, for they worship Me not associating anything with Me. But whoever disbelieves after that, then those are the defiantly disobedient.